Uh, Hi, this is Amardeep, and today I'm gonna talk about the opportunity. How improving credit scores makes a big help in savings uh, with the PMI, maybe sometime with the interest rate. So this is a case study here which really helped a client saving close to $1,900. And so here's the three scores which we pulled, you know, and the company which I use, it gives us the opportunity, you know, how we can improve the scores. So it already telling that TransUnion, we with some changes, and we'll talk about it, we can improve their score 28 points. Um, so tiers, when we do pricings and all that stuff, the way the rates are, uh, with terms of rates or PMI, it goes like 700, 720, 740. Anything over 740 is same. So, I mean, the best scenario would have been, like, we improve the score over here, it goes to 740, and then 719 plus 28, that also goes, what, 747. So there is a possibility, and that with some stuff, uh, the scores, clients can score goes up. So what we did, um, to get 740, we needed a little more money and, lot more things, which client did not want to. And we end up doing 720 credit only. And when we ran the system, it said there's a 95 possibility the score will go up 720. And so we didn't care about the Experian. It's already 738. We didn't care about Equifax. We care about 1 plus 1 points here because there's a great possibility of going 28 points, but we just want 720. So the Wayfinder, and it tells that the client has to do a couple of things. So one, they have to uh, pay the balance. So there was a two cards. They have to pay the balance down from 1538 to 1450, and Amex to 5423. So you can see it's only like what, $100 here, something like, and something like $1,100. So altogether 1237. Uh, they can pay the loan, their current credit cards balance, and the score will go 720. So here's another, and we were focusing on TransUnion only. So it's pretty simple. The client has to, just pay the balance, and then, give us a letter from the creditor. Basically, if it's online, you can, show the printout. So this could be done like, in a matter of hours. You can just make a payment online and do exactly what this report is telling you. And after giving us the report and the bank statements for these two, Then we goes to the credit company, and they verify with the creditors Amex and CBNA, and they rescore it. And after they rescore, they give us another report. Again, we're not pulling a separate report to speak. It's just a rescore for that credit bureau only. So that's what happened. The report came. I think in 3 4 days takes to for the credit company to do it. And ultimately, two things happened. One, the PMI with 719, it was like 115, and after the PMI went to $40. So that was a big saving uh, from 115 to $40. And that other thing, it also helped with the closing cost because once your score went up, we had much more lender credit from the lender, almost $1,900 more, which helped, in the closing cost. It's a great opportunity where we can help the clients improve their scores, doing pay off loans, or in this scenario it was like paying loans, and some we may have to pay it all the way to zero, but the system tells there's no guessing here. All right, thank you.